How sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, we have already come. 'Twas grace that brought us safe thus far, and grace will lead us home. When we've been here 10,000 years, bright shining like the sun, we've no less days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. Yea, when this flesh and heart shall fail, and mortal life shall cease, I shall possess within that veil a life of love